Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Forms and choosing blank or a template. This gets you a working canvas fast. Give the form a clear title and short description so respondents know purpose. Then add your first question and choose its type. Short answer for text, multiple choice for exclusive options, checkbox for multiple selections. Once done, make sure to mark required questions if you need answers. This step sets the tone and structure for every following question and speeds later editing. Now focus on design and logic to improve completion rates. Create sections to chunk content and reduce overwhelm. Sections also let you branch respondents based on answers. Use response validation for formats like numbers or emails, and mark key fields required so you don't get incomplete data. Customize the theme colors and fonts, and insert images or video where helpful. Once you finish, preview the form on desktop and mobile to confirm layout and navigation flow before sharing it. Finally, distribute and manage results. Click Send to copy a shareable link, email invitations, or embed the form. Add collaborators if you want joint editing. Monitor the Responses tab for summary charts and individual replies, and export to Google Sheets for deeper analysis. Once done, make sure to set response limits or close the form when finished. If something breaks, check permissions first, clear browser cache and cookies, or duplicate the form to preserve questions while fixing logic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.